Hey guys, in this video today I want to show you how to renew your Texas car registration online. So unfortunately, as part of this, you're going to need to go to an inspection station to get that done, and aside from that, here are some documents you will need. The vehicle registration renewal notice, an up-to-date, unexpired insurance card, the Texas vehicle inspection report from an inspection station, and a credit card. Using a web browser on a laptop, we'll go to texas.gov and click on Vehicle Registration Renewal, after which we enter our plate number and last four of VIN. Check the eligibility requirements to make sure you do fit the criteria, like you do have an email account, your registration can be renewed within a certain time frame, you have an inspection report, etc. This page shows you your car details and your fees, so just make sure it's all correct before clicking yes. On this page, enter your address information and then click Proceed to Payment screen. It'll then take you to Secure Checkout portal where you'll have to enter your information once again. Enter the credit card details that you will use to make this transaction. Click on Submit Payment. And then you get this internet trace number. I highly recommend printing this as a PDF to save for your records. After that, you have an e-reminder confirmation in case you placed your email in the system. They will remind you for next year. The updated registration sticker will come in the mail, so just look out for that and replace it on your car. And that's it, guys. That's how you register your car registration online. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Please drop a like down below, comment, subscribe, do what you guys do, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.